Good morning, students. I hope you understood the topic first, that is rational number, very well, because earlier I also explained. Now again we have done the revision. Even any doubt left, you can just send the problem to me. I will just try to solve it again. But yesterday I saw your test was very nice. Most of the students, they have shown well performance in test. Okay, today we are going to start to do the revision of next unit, that is square and square root. So now I think everybody have their own book also, so you have to do the reading of book also. What is square and what are square root? Square means if a number is multiplied by itself, it is called square of any number, and the product is called perfect square number. Means if we are going to take the product of any number by itself, suppose x is multiplied by x, or we can say 3 is multiplied by 3, it is to be written in, as we have done last year also, exponential form 3 power 2, means it is the square of any number. The answer is product of the number same 2 times, not multiplying by saying that by 2. By 2, if you are saying that, it become wrong. By itself or same number multiplied twice, means as I am saying 3 square means 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply twice, not I am saying 3 multiply by 2. Clear? So keep in mind that square is the product of a number by itself. So first of all, we must know square of first 20 natural number, as it is to be given in your book also. So you must remember these tables. The tables are given to you in your book. So you have to just go through this table. Better to you do the written practice of the table, so that all the squares be in your mind. Okay, as I am going to just recapitulate up to 20 squares, and you also speak with me, okay, side by side in your heart. Okay, as 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Now 11 to 20, that is 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225. Next 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Okay, I think the table is clear to you. Okay, just go through the table so that the things is to be clear to you. After this one, you just tell to your parents, they will listen 1 or 2 from you. Okay, now by just looking this one, first of all we will discuss regarding the properties of square of our numbers. Just see, in any square, the we can say the square of even number is even and the square of odd number is odd. Just see, 1 square 1, even or odd? Odd. 2 square is even, 3 square is odd, 4 square is even. It means we can conclude that square of even number is always even, square of odd is always odd. Okay, and the number ending, just see the table, the number which are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are not perfect square number. Okay, and just see the numbers are ending with odd number of zeros are not perfect square. Okay, so if any number you know, then you can just tell unit digit of the square. as 631, its unit digit is 1, so its square is also 1. Unit digit is 9, then 9 square, that is 1, so you can tell unit digit is 1. Then 6 square is also 6. Okay, in this way, but only looking to the first digit you can tell what is the unit digit in square of any number. Clear? Now on this same we have to do the exercise. Okay, the first exercise is very much easy, which is to be depend on the pattern, as well as you have to tell by just looking whether the numbers are perfect square number or not. Just see the table, just see the first sum in which you have to just see unit digit, and then you have to just tell whether the number is a perfect square number or not. As I have told, a number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros, they are not a perfect square number. Okay.